So now that we got our first pass welded, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this path record node, and we're going to go under UR caps and hit multi-pass. From here, in the yellow drop down, it's going to ask us which path we want to reference. So for this demonstration, we're doing path 1. And underneath that, I'm going to name this pass 2. So when we go to the offset values tab, all these are currently at 0. So if you were to leave these at 0, your second pass is going to weld off of the center line of what your first pass was. So if you wanted to make the center line at the toe of the weld, you would need to adjust these offsets. So here is a visual demonstration. The red leg here is the x-axis, the green is the y, and the blue is the z. So x positive goes in the direction of travel. So for this, x positive will be going this way. So here at the top, it says set y offset. If we were to go y positive, it would send the torch up this direction. So to weld this bottom of the toe, what we're going to want to do is put a negative value there. For this instance, we're going to do negative 0.12. That value is going to differ on each weld size that you're doing. So saying for the set Z offset, Z would make the torch go this direction. So what we're going to do is a positive 0.12. So for the Y rotational, this Y axis, that would adjust it this way, such as this, which would change your travel angle. On your X rotation, it would do it such as this, which would adjust your work angle. The set X distance from starting point would be as if you wanted to stagger your starts and stops of your weld, however many inches before or after you would weld that. So on the path variables tab, we have the blend radius set to 1. If that is set to 0, as the torch travels along, it will let to jump. And what the reason that is the way that our software calculates when it does a multi-pass. So when we set it at 1, it will have the torch travel smoothly. So if we want to add a third pass, we'll just go over here, hit the multi-pass again. We're going to reference path 1. We're going to rename this pass 3. Same for the offset values. You'll have to adjust these. Each pass you do, you will have to put in a different value so that it offsets and gets the torch exactly where you want it. You can do this as many times as you want, as many passes as you want. So if I wanted pass 4, same thing. Pass 1, pass 4.